Right, so today I'm going to show you all how I do a homely dish, you know, an easy dish using one of our local provisions. We're going to make cassava pie. So we're going to saute our seasoning ingredients first, and then we're going to add vegetable stock, carnation, coconut milk, and of course cheese. Then we're going to add to our dish and then put to bake. Right, so we're going to start by adding our oil to our preheated pot. 2 tablespoons, garlic, 1 tablespoon, 1 small onion chopped finely, but we can add 2 tablespoons of onions, pimento, 3 tablespoons, 4 ounces of butter. We're going to allow that to saute. 3 tablespoons of chive, and thyme, 2 tablespoons. Allow our ingredients to saute a little bit to kind of bring out the flavor of each seasoning ingredient. So we're going to add our cooked cassava. 3 pounds, our shad and benny, 3 tablespoons, black pepper, 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, give a little stir. Then we're going to add our vegetable stock, 1 cup. Carnation milk, 2 cups. Coconut milk, 6 ounces. You're going to stir and bring to a boil before we add the cheese, and then put over into our dish to bake. Right, now that our mixture has brought to a boil, we turn off the heat. And then we add half the amount of cheese. The reason for turning off the heat is that if you add this New Zealand cheddar to the mixture, it will curdle the cream. But you don't have to use New Zealand cheddar. You could use the same amount in Parmesan cheese, or I don't know, any other cheese that you like. But today I'm using cheddar cheese, New Zealand cheddar cheese. And we have our preheated oven up for about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. On our grease dish. Mix properly. We pour onto the dish. Spread evenly. Now if your dish is full, like how this one is full, you can add a tray below the Pyrex dish to help catch any overflow so it doesn't fall onto the oven and start to smoke. We're going to top it with cheese now. And then we're going to put in the oven until the cheese is golden brown.